The issue continues as well. Rahul Gandhi has targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul said there was a bias in the current government as the spoiled brat was given essay punishment, whereas bus and truck drivers who killed someone are given 10 years jail term. The BJP has rubbished all these charges of the opposition. BJP says all attempts were made to ensure stringent punishment for the accused.
पुणे में जो घटना हुई, कल आपने सीनियर अधिकारियों के साथ मीटिंग की है, इस पर आपका क्या कहना है? आगे क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
देखिए, इसके ऊपर मैं विस्तृत प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर चुका हूं और कोई अलग बात होगी तो आपको अलग से बताऊंगा।
जो न्याय मांग रहे हैं उनके लिए कोई आप एक संदेश देना चाहेंगे? सिर्फ संदेश मांग रहे हैं?
मैं इसके ऊपर बहुत सविस्तर बोला हूँ, विस्तार के साथ मैंने बोला हुआ है। कुछ नई चीज रहेगी तो जरूर बोलूंगा।
उबर ड्राइवर, ट्रक ड्राइवर, बस ड्राइवर गलती से अगर एक्सीडेंट कर देते हैं, किसी को मार देते हैं, एकदम उनको पकड़ के 10 साल की जेल हो जाती है, चाबी फेंक देते हैं। पुणे में 17 साल का बच्चा शराब पी के पोर्श गाड़ी चलाता है, 2 लोगों को मार देता है और उससे कहा जाता है कि आप ऐसे लिखिए, ऐसे लिखिए। अच्छा भाई, अगर वो ऐसे लिखेगा तो ट्रक ड्राइवर से भी ऐसे लिखाओ, बस ड्राइवर से भी ऐसे लिखाओ, टेम्पो ड्राइवर से भी ऐसे लिखाओ।
Srushti is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Srushti, now the political face-off, they're intensifying. BJP says attempts are being made through legal channels that stringent punishment should be given to the accused. On the other hand, the opposition, Rahul Gandhi leading that charge, says that the system is such in this country that favors the rich.
Well, of course, we have seen earlier as well, Rahul Gandhi has put out one video wherein he mentioned that there is a vast difference between elite and poor in this country. If a truck driver or any Ola or Uber driver, meets with an accident, then he is, beaten up. There is lot of punishments which are being given to him, 10 years of jail and licenses cancelled, and there are a lot of, problems in his bag. But there is a different rule for the people who have money. There is a different rule for the people who have contacts, political contacts, and that's what his charge is. When we asked about the same charge and the same allegations to Devendra Fadnavis, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra and importantly Home Minister, he said that Rahul Gandhi is just doing politicalization of the situation and he should not see everything, in terms of election benefits, and he has not read the case properly, and that's why he is making such comments. But yes, there is allegations from the opposition wherein we are seeing that they are asking for proper probe. The LOP of Maharashtra, Vijay Wadettiwar, he has also mentioned that there should be a judicial inquiry in this particular matter.
All right, judicial inquiry being demanded there. Thank you very much, Srushti, for getting us the details. You're moving